And trigger warning for mention of abuse. The PNP Women and Children Protection Center, or WCPC, conducted an operation to arrest a male teacher for alleged sexual abuse to his minor students in Indang, Cavite. Ryan Losigues reports.
But this seems to be the opposite of what a male teacher allegedly did in Indang, Cavite. Instead of goodness, it was lewdness that the teacher was allegedly imparting to his minor students. The undesirable acts of the teacher were uncovered after several sensitive videos of his with the children leaked online. The PNP Women and Children Protection Center, or WCPC, immediately conducted an operation to arrest the suspect.
Marami siyang videos na nagpapakita ng pang-aabuso sa kanyang mga estudyanteng lalaking minor de edad. Itong report na ito ay naiparating sa WCPC sa pamamagitan ng National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, and at the same time, nakita din ng ating mga online investigators sa Interpol Child Sexual Exploitation Database. Ito yung tinatawag namin ICSE database. So, nag-cross-match, nakita yung mga images na kung saan yun din yung ni-report ng NICMEC na na-upload doon sa ICSE.
According to the PNP, the suspect allegedly used his position as a teacher to make the students comply with his desires from school. He would allegedly invite some of them to his own house and offer them 100 to 300 pesos in exchange for lewd acts that were also recorded on camera.
There were 32 videos na nagpapakita yung mga pang-aabuso niya. Ginagawa niya ng kahalayang sexual itong mga minor de edad na kanyang mga biktima.
During the police raid, authorities seized several laptops and gadgets that were possibly used not only for teaching but also in the alleged abuse.
Ang nakakalungkot dito, because tayo bilang magulang, napitiwala na yung mga guro pangalawang magulang ng ating mga kabataan. And to think na mas haba ang oras na nagkakaroon ng engagement between the teacher and the student kesa sa ating mga magulang.
During the operation conducted by authorities, 6 students who were allegedly victims of the teacher's lewd acts were rescued. 3 of them are still minors. What is even more heartbreaking, the parents were allegedly unaware of the demonic acts being done to their children. Ryan Losigues from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.